Good morning to you all. Today I want to discuss mental mathematics and Vedic mathematics. Mental math is a group of skills that allow people to do math in their head without using pencil and paper or a calculator. It is useful in schools and in everyone's life. It also helps kids to understand math concept better and they can get the answers faster. One of the skill is remembering math facts and other skill include rounding numbers and estimating calculations. Mental math is useful in everyday life to answer the questions like what is the sale prices of this item or am I getting the correct amount of cash, etc. Mental math regularly helps the kids to improve their number sense. It is useful in other ways also. It keeps math facts from getting rusty. It can also help in solving math problem in an easy way. For example, what is the result of 48 plus 37? Then if we break it as 40 plus 30 is equal to 70 and 8 plus 7 is equal to 15, then 70 plus 15 is equal to 85. Hence the sum of 48 plus 37 is equal to 85. Mental math requires a strong memory skill. Math facts and other number concepts have to be retrieved from long-term memory. Our brain also uses a skill called working memory to keep track of the step needed to solve a math problem. Kids develop a math skill at their own pace. Differently with mental math could be a matter of needing more time and practice to catch up. Doing mental math requires strong memory skills. It has regularly practicing mental math can help improve other skill also. Trouble with mental math can be a sign that kids need more support to get better at math. Today I want to name one of our country's human computer. She was Shakuntala Devi. She was an Indian writer and mental calculator. Her talent earned her a place in Guinness Book of World Record. She was born in Bangalore, Karnataka. Her father, C.V. Sundaraja Rao, was working in a circus. He discovered his daughter's ability to memorize numbers while teaching her a card tricks when she was about 3 years old. Her father left the circus and took her on the road show that displayed her ability at calculation. She did this without formal education. At the age of 6, she demonstrated her mathematical ability at the University of Mysore. She was the best example of mental mathematics without formal education. Her calculations were faster than supercomputer. Now I want to discuss the Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics is the world's fastest mental math system. It helps you to calculate faster math problems with efficiency. India is a land with golden heritage. India has given to the world jewels such as yoga, Ayurveda and Vedic math. Vedic math depends upon math sutras. Math sutras are basically mean an original thought spoken or written in a concise and memorable form. These are basically short mathematical formula dealing with arithmetics and algebra, and there are 16 sutras which were rediscovered by Tirathji, the scholar. With each passing over, the scope of math sutras get wider as globally more and more students deals with mathematics. This has caused a full-grown numeracy crisis. At present, some surprising data are available about Vedic mathematics. Vedic math fits in with its sheer simplicity and comforts and makes making a career possible in the field of management, engineering, banking, finance or law by helping crack their respective examination. Math Sutra open up a world of possibilities for everyone. Problems which once seemed to be difficult and daunting seems like a child's play now. They seems magical and unbelievable in the beginning, but they all have a logic and principle behind it. Most of the sutras are very visual when we apply them. Take the vertically and crosswise sutra. For example, the pattern can be extended to do large multiplication and even shortened to do smaller 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. This visual pattern makes the sutra very easy to remember. Practice the Vedic mathematics. The benefit of Vedic mathematics is that it makes mathematical calculation easy and easy. There are just 16 jaw-dropping sutra or word formula which solve all mathematical problems in the branches of arithmetic, algebra, geometry and calculus. It is easy to understand, easy to apply, easy to remember. This system is wonderfully interrelated and unified. Working with these formula is healthy for the mind as they guide a way the mind naturally works and are therefore proved to be helpful in directing the student to the appropriate method of solution. It is 1500% faster than the normal maths. It increases speed and accuracy. It improves academic performance and instant result. It sharpens your mind, increases mental agility and intelligence. It increases visualization and concentration in the children. They become mathematical calculator and mental calculator. The 9 features of Vedic maths are coherence, flexibility, mental, improve memory, promotes creativity, appeals to everyone, increases mental agility, efficient and fast, easy and fun, methods apply in algebra. It makes mathematics easy and enjoyable and encourages innovations. The simplicity of Vedic mathematics means that calculation can be carried out mentally. Hence, mental mathematics or Vedic mathematics is a solution of mathematics calculation. We must learn Vedic mathematics also. Thanks.